There was an activity we did the other day. It was with these bananas. So our instructor, Deanne, she had a bag full of fake bananas, and on each banana was written a state, an emotional state. So for example, there was angry, surprised, shocked, furious, suspicious, sneaky, sweet, sad, happy. And I never got to experience this before, switching emotional states rapidly. And Peter Ralston says something about this. Try doing your emotions. And he referenced this Robin Williams movie called Mork and Mindy, where I think Robin Williams plays an alien, and he's just cycling through different human emotions, from like fear to like lust to happy to sad to like, and just like on a dime, instant change. I got to finally experience that doing this banana game, and when I got to the sad banana, I was real acquainted with that one. Oh, I was just like, I could just feel it. I could just tune into that really easily. And when it came to the furious banana, I threw a tantrum. And when it came to the sweet banana, I was all sweet and lovey-dovey with the person beside me, and so on and so forth. But experiencing that, diving into each emotion fully. I don't know if like going from sad to furious, or maybe like experiencing furiousness before and like letting out the like rah, 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 like moving that emotional energy in me made me feel some type of way, like feel better, because I just kind of ungunked my inner stuff. Or if that was a legitimate insight into, okay, I can actually do emotions and I can actually change my emotional state on a dime. I don't have to be full of grief, I don't have to be guilty, I don't have to be sad, I don't have to be angry, tantrumy all the time, but also not suppressing it. So feeling it out and then getting over it and moving on to the next one. Because those emotions were manufactured. I suppose all emotions are manufactured just based on the emotional state that I'm cooking myself up, or the thoughts that I'm deciding to attach to. So now I wonder if it's effective to feel the emotions fully and then move on, or just like, all right, I will do the anger, I will do the sadness, and then just, okay, when it feels complete, be away, like do away with it. Go back to joy. Go back to something that allows for a nicer life. Maybe. I do want to test that out. And some of my classmates recommended laughter yoga when I shared this with them. That, okay, yeah, I could just do emotional states. I could just stop being sad. Because I've been sad for a while, man. And yeah, it'd be nice to try on something new. So, try it out. Let's see where that goes.